Mind presents fashion-forward smart wristbands, where tech meets style. Each seamlessly integrates RFID technology. 4 distinctive collections: handicraft construction, handmade production, exquisite and durable, adjustable elastic bracelet, support established enterprise logo or cultural guide, premium leather, excellent leather texture, high-end luxury. A variety of beads to choose from: crystal, acrylic, wooden beads, volcanic stone beads, etc. Key tech features: multi-material, medical silicone, sustainable wood, eco-PVC, dual frequency, 13.56 MHz access, plus 125 kHz locker recognition, waterproof, IP68 silicone version for water parks, battery-free, passive RFID for lifelong use. 3-step wearing, press buckle button to release, adjust to comfortable position 2 cm above wrist bone. Tip: proper tightness allows one finger to slide underneath. Tailored solutions, patterns, one-on-one design service, material mixing, leather plus woven combos, chip configuration, scenario-based setups. More than a wristband, it's a bridge between heritage and innovation. We're redefining wearable art. Get your designer kit now.